this is Lou from Lou's Diary. Good morning, Assalamualaikum, everyone. So today I am unboxing the new Reebok model of 2019. So this is the woman's shoes, woman sport shoes. So I am unboxing the new Reebok 2019 woman's shoes. So we will start now. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow. So I buy this from GoSports. That everything is for sports. This is original, guys. As you can see, the color is light lavender. It's like this. And this is new Arrival 2019 model. Guys, the Reebok is one of the most amazing shoes and the universe. So beautiful. So the prices, guys, is 1,499 Egyptian pounds. So in dollar, I think it's like $90 like this. And this, guys, I choose because the color is girly and a very simple color that's very nice in the eyes. It's cool in the eyes. So this is made from I think it's made from Vietnam. Yes, this is made from Vietnam. And this is size 37, guys. Size 37. So yes, this is all. And you have to buy Reebok, guys. Their shoes is very, very awesome. They have a lot of collections of 2019 model. Many to choose on, also for men, for kids. Wow, it's amazing shoes. It's a recommendation shoes to everyone who loves sneakers, sport shoes. It's so beautiful. So don't forget to check their outlet, guys, and where and group. It's available, Reebok, and this is the 2019 model. Very, very, very beautiful shoes, and so affordable one. That's all, guys. So I'm done. Thank you. Resting time.